Welcome back, everybody. That's right, they invited me back for the second time to guest host Pizza Party, and I have Blackstone's brand new pizza oven. Today I want to show you how to make a Hawaiian BBQ chicken pizza. The last time I was here, we did the Thai chicken pizza, and I used chicken thigh. Today I'm going to use chicken breast. Obviously, chicken thigh would be more moist, but breast is what I have. We're going to put some olive oil on there. Going to hit that up with some Blackstone Island stir fry because I figure, hey, why not? I'm trying to do a Hawaiian pizza. I have my Blackstone Pro Series griddle cranked up high, and we're going to use that same olive oil. I always like to have my griddle top coated lightly with oil before and after I use it. And down with my chicken. And a shout out to my subscriber and member of the Blackstone Griddle crew, Michael Andres from Oceanside, California, baby. He was born and raised in Hawaii, and he drinks this stuff as well. We were talking about it. And Michael, what do you think about a delicious Hawaiian chicken pizza? Are you up for that?
You know me, I'm always up for a delicious Hawaiian chicken pizza.
You gotta check him out on Instagram. He has Blackstone griddles and the Blackstone Pizza Oven as well. Can we do an early, a preemptive take a look at that?
Take a look at that.
Gonna reach in there and take a bite of that chicken. Here we go. We're gonna see what it tastes like. Oh, that's good. Let me cleanse my palate. Gotta pull that chicken. And I hand stretched a dough. Early on, it took a lot of flack because I was rolling pinning my dough. I found this stuff, I love it, the Delalo pizza kits, and so it's really simple to make. 2 packages, one is the flour mixture, the other one is the yeast. You add a 1.25 cups of water, kind of mix that up and knead it up with your hands for 3 minutes per the instructions. Put it in a bowl with olive oil on the edges, cover it with saran wrap, and let that thing rise for about an hour. And a little trick that I discovered is to turn my oven to 125 degrees, let it warm up for like 5 minutes, okay, that's it. And then I'll slide my pizza dough into the oven for a couple of minutes, and usually that activates the rising, and at the end of that hour, we have a beautiful ball of pizza dough. The instructions say that you can cut it into 2 to 4 pieces, so you're gonna have to experiment with that. This piece that I cut off, I was able to stretch out into about a 13-inch pizza. I have semolina flour underneath the crust so it slides off the peel. My old standby, Fat Boy Barbecue, the sticky stuff, okay? My wife bought me a bottle of Fat Boy barbecue sauce when we met about 17 years ago, and I've been hooked ever since. So my goodness, shout out to those guys. Look them up. They're out of Nebraska. In my opinion, the best barbecue sauce that you can buy. It is good stuff. And we're going with a Colby Jack mixture today. Oh man, this is good stuff. If you've never had a barbecue chicken pizza, folks, you are missing out. I never had one ever until I met my wife. And I thinly sliced some red onion. You don't have to have onion, okay? It's a personal thing. Thinly slice them and cut them into little semicircles. And then that chicken that we seasoned with the island stir fry and cooked on the griddle. And one of the other stars of the show, fresh pineapple. That's right. I cut my own pineapple for this, so I'm really trying to impress you, Michael. Hopefully, I'm doing you proud today.
Oh yeah, pro move with the fresh pineapple.
And then last but not least, a little extra cheese on top to seal the deal. It's a heavy pizza, so hopefully I can slide it off the peel. I just did a stone temperature, and we are right about 750 degrees. Should be perfect.
I'm about to go tribal on this.
I think it's been about 1.5 to 2 minutes, so There we go. My semolina is burning off the stone there. Chop up some fresh cilantro. For those of you out there that don't like cilantro, you guessed it, you don't need to use cilantro, but we're using it around here. Green onion is another great thing you could use on top of this. A little bit of minced green onion. Is CJ from CJ's First Cooking Show rubbing off on me? I don't know. Maybe we'll go in there with a little post dusting just to make it look extra. Yeah, look at that.
Take a look at that. Whoa.
Oh, here we go. Let's give it a try. I know Hawaii is known for pork, right? Hogs, luau, right? Hawaiian pizza with ham, etc. We know all that. So I kicked it up today. I did it a little bit different. I know this isn't authentic Hawaiian. So thanks for watching, everybody. We sure do appreciate it. You can buy Blackstone's Pizza Oven at blackstoneproducts.com.